Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thank you for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the Villains Page Kit. If you have not picked up this kit, please check the description below this video and you will find a link to my Etsy shop where you can pick up this kit as well as many others. Okay, so here's just a quick close-up view of the 2-page layout. And these do measure 12 by 12. Okay, in your kit, you will receive a sheet of instructions, full color photos, with step-by-step instructions. I've also included some large images to help with the paper piecing, as there's a lot of pieces in these images. Okay, so you will receive two 12 by 12 solid sheets that if you have the barcodes, you'll have to trim down to be 12 by 12. And then the two backing sheets, your instructions will tell you exactly what measurement to cut these down to. You will also receive the photo mats that I used, and these I have already cut for you down to size. So you just have to glue these on. You don't have to cut the photo mats. All of the large pieces are loose in the kit. They come just like this, and you just glue everything down. And the smaller pieces will come in little separate baggies for each image to help with paper piecing. There are some small pieces in here, so please be very careful not to lose them when you're piecing. But if you have any issues, please feel free to message you and I will help you any way that I can. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in today. And if you'd like to pick up this page kit, please check the description below this video. There will be a link to my shop. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos from me, and click that bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.